Oh, my teeth. Oh, my teeth. This is out of control. What are you doing? Man, get off of me.
We are on
Please, get off of me. Please, man. Just put me in your car.
It's tucked it like
I don't have nothing, man. That's my belt. Please, get off of me. Please, man. Please, get off of me.
Stop.
Please. Please, get off of me, son. What the fuck?
Roll on your side.
What the fuck? Please, man, get off of me, man. Please. Please, get off of me. Please. What the fuck?
What's he got, a gun?
No, I do not. No, I do not.
You got something to
No, I do not. Get off of me. You're hurting me. You are hurting me. Please,
Relax.
get off. No, please. Please, get off of me. No. There's no gun. I don't have no gun. I do not have no gun. I don't have nothing. No, I do not.
Open up.
He's grabbing my fucking paws and my dick. Get off of me, please.
I got his hand.
Please, get off of me. Please, please, sir. Please, y'all can go search me.
Stop.
I know, because you're hurting me.
Stop.
Man, you hurting me, man. You are hurting me. Why are you hurting me like this?
Yeah, he's cuffed.
Man, please.
He just got something tucked between
No,
his
I
legs
do not.
Not letting us
Man,
in.
no, I do
How
not.
do you want to cross his legs
Please,
and
just
then we'll roll him?
Yes, get off of me. Just let me up. Y'all can search me.
Huh?
I'm telling you
We're just
that.
gonna try to attract
No,
whatever
man.
he's
He's got something
away.
up in his front, he said.
Man, no, I do not. I already got an
It's a hard
eternal.
object and he's just keeping
No, I
it
do
safe.
not.
Okay.
Please, get off me. Man, please.
We are getting whatever's out
All
there.
right, can you just get off of me? I'm saying, I told you you was hurting me.
If it's a-
I just told you you was hurting me. That's it.
Listen.
That's it. I just told you you was hurting
If
me.
it's a gun,
It's not a gun. I don't have a gun on me. I told you that. I told you that. I told you that. I don't got no gun on me, man. I told you that. I told you I don't got no gun on me, man.
Watch his hand.
I told you I don't got no gun on me, man. I told you that's my dick. Get off of my penis.
shut up.
Just let me out.
Listen.
Just let me out.
No, that's not how this
I
goes.
don't have no gun on me, sir. I
Stop
promise.
resisting
Oh,
now.
it's grabbing my dick.
Stop resisting.
Stop squeezing my dick.
I got his legs.
Stop.
Listen, if it's a gun and I gotta reach in there the way you're doing this,
It's not
increase the
good.
risk that you're gonna
I
get
don't.
shot.
Hey, please get off of me.
Shut up.
Please, I didn't do nothing
Shut
wrong.
up. Screaming.
I didn't do nothing wrong. Please let me out. I can't breathe.
Stop.
I can't
You're screaming.
breathe.
Stop.
I can't breathe. Oh, I can't breathe. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. I can't
Stop.
breathe.
You're making this difficult, man.
Oh.
Stop.
Oh, I can't breathe.
Shut up
I can't breathe.
and
I can't
focus
breathe.
on breathing then.
I can't breathe.
A little bit.
Yeah, slide his pants down.
Yeah.
Got it. Okay, watch his leg. Put it right on my groin. Hold on.
Stop reaching, please.
Stop reaching.
I got the feet. Oh, he's in my ass. Get out of my ass. All you gotta do is let me up.
Shut up.
I didn't do nothing. I didn't do nothing.
Light it up so you can see it.
Oh my God. I can't breathe, please.
Okay,
I can't breathe.
Stop resisting.
Start cooperating.
I don't know what you got. You can't feel it.
I don't got nothing.
Okay, all you have to do is relax and keep fighting it.
Roll this way.
I told you I can't breathe.
Quit squeezing your
I
legs
don't
together.
have nothing on
Relax
me.
your legs.
I've got his arm.
Let me up. What are you gonna do?
We're not gonna let you up till we find out what you got between your legs.
I had some weed in it.
Okay, well let us
Relax
get the
your
weed.
legs.
Let us.
I'm scaring your body.
Please.